Watch this video to learn how to invite and manage staff in Xero HQ. Click Staff to go to the main staff overview page. Let's invite a staff member into the practice. Click the Invite Staff button in the top right corner. Then, enter their first name, last name, and email. Once you're done, click Next. On the next screen, you have the option to update the user permissions, or skip this process and just send the invite. If you select No, Send Invite, you can update staff roles and permissions at a later date. In this example, we'll click Yes, Update Permissions. In the General section of the staff record, select the staff member's practice role from the drop-down. Choose Standard if the user only needs access to Xero HQ. If the user needs to manage document packs, advisor directory listing, and Xero HQ practice details, and access all Xero organizations billed by the practice, choose the Administrator role. If Xero Tax is available in your region, and you've enabled it for your practice, you'll also be able to choose a tax role. Click Save when you've updated roles in the General section. Next, click Clients on the left side of the screen to edit the staff permissions for viewing, editing, creating, and deleting client records. Xero applies the client permissions you choose in this screen to all client records. You can customize permissions for specific records from the Clients tab in Xero HQ. If you choose No Access, staff won't see the client record on the Clients tab. If you choose View, they'll only be able to see the client record. They won't have the ability to update any client details. If you choose View and Edit, they'll have full access to view the client record and edit any details. In this example, we'll choose View and Edit. Then, give the staff additional client permissions by selecting the checkboxes to allow them to create client records and delete client records as needed. Click Save to update the permissions. Finally, click the Advanced section of the staff record to give them further permissions. Use the toggles to allow the staff member to manage staff in the practice. If you turn the permission on, they can invite and remove staff, view and update staff information, and manage staff access to client records and organizations. You can also allow the staff member to edit chart of accounts and report templates within the practice. Click Save if you make any changes. For now, we'll leave these options disabled. However, you can edit staff roles and permissions anytime if you need to. Staff invitations last for 14 days, so you'll have to resend it if the staff member doesn't accept the invite in time. Now, you're ready to invite your practice staff to Xero HQ.